Finals. I'm your host, Ancient Darkerai, the one that lost the last round, and I got hired because the other one's in freaking battle. Anyways, these two will show off. Here's some more. Oh god, that did not go well. I'm trying to remember my scripts. People once upon a time probably up to down Charizard. That's not good for Charizard. Okay, I need to find a better script. Cortana comes out along with Dialga. From Impulse.
And that Leaf Blade almost
super effective.
Dynamax Cream Arena.
Super effective.
But that again put that Charizard goes down.
Effective Leaf Blade hits. It's hard on Primarina. Kyogre comes out to take advantage of the rain. I'm not sure what he's trying to do.
Protect with that Kyogre.
Use Protect to block most damage from Max Starfall. Power comes from Dialga being blocked. And then the KO from Cortana's Leaf Blade. This is a good fight, everyone. So many voice crack. Okay, a double KO from Kyogre's Water Spout. Knocking out both of them. This is a big win. One chance. But they get the double Intimidate.
You get that Intimidate of Incineroar.
Let's see who wins. Will they probably clutch up? Probably not. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, anyways, it missed. Mr. Terrain apparently does not protect priority moves.
Doesn't the Cali rep?
You're doing a quick switch for safety. Good damage with the Flare Blitz from Incineroar. Using his Fly in the Calyrex. Next Ice. Brick Room is now off. Kyogre swaps back in. Crits on Kyogre. Brick Break. They used Yawn Unlimitless. Will they get to sleep? Will they miss it?
Rock Slide for almost a kill. What?
Water Spout Oh yeah. Sorry about that. Water Sprout, it's super effective, but does no damage. Due to its low HP. Prana comes back out, but due to the Trick Room being off. It's now again the fastest one on the field. Overuse Protect. Blade hits on Landorus.
Just Kyogre from dying.
Blade hits on Cortana. Super effective hit.
Who's gonna win this match?
Ulrich Ice is out. Let's see who wins. Will Impulse clutch the entire battle?
Get that weakness policy!
Weakness policy! Oh wait, I thought it was special defense boost. Huh. It's a double KO with Glacial Lance. I forgot what the move was. It was a fabulous battle. Caxton almost got clutched by Impulse, but
Flare Blitz.
Besides the point.
If he didn't have Glacial Lance, then he would have lost his Glacial Lance on attackable.
As well, it's kind of like the ghost type version.
Yeah, after Rogers Glacial.
Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna wait 5 minutes around in the recording box.
Big O No, it
Okay,
doesn't work.
that's Fabulous Battle number 1 for this recording. Those terrible police. Oh yeah, and then click. And then are you recording? Okay, sorry I'm late. I was running errands. Just get a clean sweep. Get a clean kill. Dialga comes out. Use protect instead. It's tricky because Charizard is still out, able to do super effective damage.
I knew Catherine would do that.
Ground type move. Solar power is apparently disabled now because
Nathan comes back.
I believe
Zapdos comes in.
Zapdos gets a lot of damage done to it with the Leaf Blade, which is not very effective. And then down goes Kartana and Charizard. Getting a double KO from Dialga. Now there's Earthquake, I think. Kills Earthquake. Power. Okay. That's 100% HP.
Eek.
And Black can just get that out of there.
Blast Cannon does massive damage. Switch to Kyogre. To be able to do some heavy hits if it doesn't get damaged. Ooh, that's half the power reduced. They managed to get the KO in place.
Yawn on Glass Rider, but post combat just kills Umbreon and all he has left is the Kyogre.
Who's in doubt? Most likely it's Zapdos. They have half their HP left. The Water Spout has around half their move power. Impulse wins. I'm about to be late again. I bet I'm just gonna be late again. Looks like I was here early. Wait, why isn't it not recording? I could capture. Whoops. Okay, I'm here early again. Hello, I'm recording this time. Instead of taking a picture. Let's start off with Kartana and Calyrex. Landorus and Landorus in Primarina. Xin finally chooses something other than Groudon and Charizard, just to be safe. Kartana is probably going to Leaf Blade the Incineroar after the switch. And it's not much damage after that from Calyrex. Kyogre comes out, setting up the rain, as well as Umbreon. On for some extra damage. Steel Spike hits Umbreon. Flurba type hits Kyogre for very weak damage. I'll do that. Oh, never mind. That's not me. Okay, sorry. Okay, the footage is gonna be a little weird at the end, but. Barely any damage. From the rain. And water type, and Dialga's a dragon type. So minimal damage. Well, actually not minimal because rain dance. So first KO. Echo falls asleep as I'm down now. Comes back out. See who wins. I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna turn off my announcer voice for a bit. My lunch is tired. Maybe, I don't know. A lot of damage, or half the amount of damage. Okay, let me stop. My vocals.
I thought he would go for Origin Pulse again. Oh, I think Leaf would have done better on Primarina than Origin Pulse to kill that black guy, but that's good. Both tied up.
They use Leaf. Will he use Leaf Blade on the Primarina? Yes, he will. Yeah, let's see. Don't even switch out. That's great. Quake almost taking out Kyogre. Origin Pulse does massive damage due to it not being as bad as a Water Spout when he's at minimal HP. Another attack drop. Intimidate. Incinerate Intimidate. Peck gets up. Leaf Blade does massive damage to Kartana yet again. And they use Flare Blitz on Kyogre. Sudden mass damage.
Win!
It's done a sudden massive damage, but if not for Kyogre's Protect. Kana, it turns off. Kyogre avoids the Hurricane, if that's the person that it was going after. Charizard gets out, gets solar power. Oh, wait, did they already use for Dynamax? They used that on Dialga, never mind.
He still has his Dynamax, so yeah.
Impulse. I'm trying to remember if Impulse on Dynamax. Holy moly. Smash damage with G-Max Wildfire. And Zapdos will faint. Dirty. And then Charizard will use Max Quake. Charizard will most likely use Max Quake. And Groudon will use Precipice Blade. It's most likely. Well, they use Protect.
And the winner is Payton.
I guess that works too.
Oh no.
It's still alive.
Yeah, now
Just still standing, even though it fainted. Okay.
Whoa! Whoa! That was scary! That was scary!
Okay. Warning's off. Jesus Christ, my lungs hurt.
Okay.
Vocals are damaged.
Okay, the final battle. Whoever wins this battle wins the whole tournament. Wins the whole tournament. I'm scared. I never thought I would actually have to go against Airman Flame.
I never thought I was going to go against you for the last match.
This saves me time from changing the name
so far.
Get the right turn.
Okay, the battle's starting, guys.
Hey, I'm back. I'm not gonna record this time. I'm just gonna try to get back to my normal voice. Calyrex gets out, as well as Charizard. Calyrex gets out this time. Actually, that was the first time. That was the first turn we did that. So never mind.
Okay. I can kill this Calyrex.
Calyrex. Oh God. Calyrex. Sometimes I have to say Pokemon name. I'm about to say I was about to say
They place here. No.
That's Fleur takes it out.
Great. Now there's no point for me to bring what's his name again? Groundon out.
There's no out. Rayquaza. So now it's Umbreon and Charizard versus Calyrex and Rayquaza. But if Unless